Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use AWeber for email marketing. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically this is just a Weber Help Center article. From here we can learn more about email marketing in AWeber. So as you can see, you will be needing just to understand first what is email marketing, and basically after that we will be needing to plan email strategy. We're not really interested in that for this video. What we will need is just how you can do it like technically, and basically you will be needing to grow your email list. That means you will need just to grow your audience by sending them to the landing pages or forms, and you can after that write engaging email content and basically designing emails so you can schedule their sending. And basically you can do that by using several tools. So as you can see in a Weber, you would already have like some people or the engage tools, and basically in the people you will find your contacts and lists, and basically you will be needing to start adding new people, and to get more prospects or people you will be needing to add the engagements. So from the engagement you will be able to start designing your uh, pages like these. So as you can see in a Weber, it has like landing pages, forms, emails, etc. And basically, you can use this designer so you can customize your email and landing pages. And after that, you will be able to start publishing them into your websites or into your email, depending on the way how you want to send them. And basically, you will have an automation so you can automate the process of sending these email, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.